So there I was, enjoying the latest episode of Golden Girls when my cup ran dry, and I went to load it into the dishwasher. Upon opening the dishwasher, I was met with an unholy stench most foul, which meant only one thing. Yes, an ancient threat known as the Gunga has re-emerged, and I once again must ride into battle. You see, dishwashers have a filter, which actually serves as a gateway into the Gunga dimension. Left unchecked for too long, it opens the portal and invites an evil most eldritch into your dishes and your home life. And frankly, there's very little you can do to prepare yourself for the potentially gelatinous, amorphous, disgusting goo that awaits you in the filter. Begin your holy crusade by removing the dish rack and removing the sprayer arm by twisting counterclockwise and popping it off. Steel yourself, for when you stare into the abyss,
it also stares back into you.
If a boss bar appears and ominous music starts to play, then you know you're really in for some trouble. A counterclockwise twisting motion breaks the ancient seal and okay, I guess I got off lucky this time. Good for me. Perhaps that was divine intervention so I could keep this video rated PG-13. Also, remove this plastic mesh, and I will deal with that cesspool later. A counterclockwise motion separates this inner piece for the filter, and you can begin your work. I suggest a healthy dose of holy water for this piece, and a blessed sponge with plenty of dish soap and hot water. This is grease, this is old food, this is decomposing food. Do the same for the inner piece. Lock it back into place in a clockwise twisting motion. And also, don't forget about this mesh. So, as for the cesspool, what I did was I started the cycle on my dishwasher and then aborted said cycle. What that does is it activates the pump and pumps most of the water, most of that standing water out. With that, I was able to get into the dishwasher and not have to sop up so much water. I used a rag to get rid of the remainder of the water and squeezed it onto the sink. I then used the degreaser and paper towels to scour most of the Gunga bits and pieces out of that chamber. A side quest I highly recommend is cleaning the spray arms for the dishwasher. So a counterclockwise twisting motion and pops off the upper spray arm, because what happens is sometimes Gunga tends to clog up the spray holes, so just use a paper clip or a pipe cleaner to get those clean and then rinse it out and flush it all down the sink. Also, beneath the seal, Gunga also likes to spawn, so just use some degreaser, do what you gotta do, leave no Gunga behind. Lock the spray arm back into place in a clockwise twisting motion this time, place the plastic screen back into place, take the filter and reseal the portal with a clockwise twisting motion, and finally, put the bottom spray arm back in, also with a clockwise twisting motion. Make sure there's no interference, and replace the dish rack. With that, the Gunga dimension has been sealed off, the dishwasher is clean, your family is safe, and frankly, the world is safe once again. Consider running a dishwasher degreaser like this one once every couple of months to prevent the Gunga portal from opening again. You can now go back to watching MASH because you have earned it. Well done, Gunga Warrior.